Are you currently having problems with SweatCoin not counting your steps and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix this issue. But it is very important that you do watch this video, because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this basically. And as you can see, the first step is going to be like this. Please remove any additional step tracking applications you don't use from your smartphone. So for example, if you have any kind of like step tracking applications that you don't use on your phone right now, it can be any kind of apps that you maybe like have in the background running. Make sure that you basically remove them if you're not using them, because sometimes they can actually like influence your Sweatcoin app as well. And as you can see, frequently preloaded apps come with your device. Be sure to check them too. And as you can see, there is some preloaded apps as well that track your steps. Just check them as well, just to make sure that they don't run in the background and ruin everything basically. And as you can see, you need to also turn this one off right here on the gadget. Go to your home screen, choose preferences, then settings, privacy, screen lock, and passwords, and then disable this one right here. If you have this one enabled right now, verify that your device settings have the battery saving, power saving, and optimization modes turned off. Very important. If you don't know how to do this exactly, then you can just Google this one, like battery saving on your phone. If you're using iPhone or Android, doesn't really matter. Just Google, for example, iPhone turn off battery saving, and then you will be able to actually like see exactly how you can do this. And as you can see, verify that you haven't altered your device's time and date settings, because their algorithm dislikes this. So for example, if you have like basically gone back into your like clock on your mobile, and you have like, you know, like played around with it just to make sure that you try to like I don't know how to explain this, but try to like trick their app. Of course, this will not work, because their algorithm knows that you're doing this. So don't do this basically. Reinstall the program if you change the time and date. Everything should be returned to normal in a few days. So if you have done this, then you need to wait a couple of days, and of course also reinstall the program. Uninstall the program and install it again, being sure to use the same login information this time, so that all of your Sweatcoin are in one location. Very important as well. And restart your phone. Be sure to use the app at least once per day. So this is a couple of steps that you can actually use if you have problems right now with Sweatcoin not tracking your steps. So basically, this is exactly how to fix this. So let me know in the comments below. Maybe if you have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And also, I wish you the best day.